Next is Second Lieutenant F.S. Palau.
Of the parade, the reflection exemplifies the loyalty of the troops and their readiness to undertake the course for which they had been commissioned and enlisted. Members of the Fourth Salvation Service, initially comprised of 300. These words of command from the parade commander, Battalion Command Officer A.I. Ali, thus began the commencement of the parade in slow time. Amidst the reminders of St. George's, and as the colors march towards where we are seated, we are pleased expected to rise. Officers and warrant officers in uniform are requested to salute. We have a special Computer 37 in honor of Regular Force 37, of which Commandant and Representative Lieutenant I.M. Yusuf is a proud member. Behind the auxiliary officer is the parade commander, Battalion Command Officer A.I. Ali. Next is the number 1 guard. Behind the color party is the Academy of Action Regimental Service Leader, Warrant Officer A.P. Mohammed. Next Regional Officer is Program, commanded by Colonel Steve Sharma, and is assisted by English Sector Commander. Next review of the ground is Canada, commanded by Cadet M.A. Salawi and assisted by 3 Sub-Guard Commanders. Instructor behind Squad Guard is Staff Sergeant Umar.
Fire inspection, sir.
I am particularly delighted to address these potential young officers on this special day that marks a new chapter in their lives. As you graduate today, you'll be joining the corps of gallant Nigerian Army officers. You'll be required to lead soldiers in various theaters of operation across the country, where you will be expected to utilize the skills you have acquired during the course of your training here. There will be challenges ahead, and your career path will not be the same, but the road to success and excellence will always depend on your fundamental ethics of hard work, discipline, and commitment to higher standards. It will therefore be your responsibility to adapt and navigate through the challenges and make the best of the opportunities that the service will provide. Know that from this day onward, the Army is your family, the Army is your tribe, and the Armed Forces is your constituency, and you must take pride in the fact that you are going to continue in a long-standing tradition of excellence, selfless service as demonstrated by senior officers before you. Your families and the nation have high expectations of you, and you must not let them down. I want to use this opportunity to acknowledge and thank the President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Muhammad Buhari, for his support and efforts towards repositioning the armed forces of Nigeria and strengthening our national security. Under the leadership of the President, we have witnessed an unprecedented growth of the armed forces, including the acquisition of more equipment and capacity building. All these have impacted positively on the performance of troops in various theaters of operations across the country. I therefore wish to assure Nigerians that the armed forces will never relent in its efforts to confront all these threats to our nation. We remain committed to build an armed forces that will be the pride of nations and capable of defending the country against both internal and external threats.
Defense Academy has been craving for a demonstration battalion for many years. It has always been a demonstration company. The need for it to be upgraded into a demonstration battalion consistent with the practice in Nigerian Army maneuver training schools has been in the offing for quite some time. We are highly delighted that under the leadership of the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General F. Yahaya, Nigerian Army Medal, the establishment order number 002/22, daytime group 13-1400 Alpha came into force. Now, consistent with Nigerian Army tradition, there is a requirement for the unit to be formally operationalized. And that is the main objective of our gathering here.
And this is a very significant achievement by those that are at the helm of affairs. One of the things that is standing out now is that we have the highest number of female in the cadet. That is a very commendable thing for women to participate, the females to participate. And with the new leadership and what we are seeing on the ground, there is very, very high hope for not only their performance, but also for securing the country, which is their main business. This is a very welcome development, especially when we are in their need of the increased number of trained professionals in their career. I wish them the best of luck.